So now welcome to Rifu Li, the sales manager from Shenzhen Salary Technology Company. We present RFID tag in close.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for joining us. I'm Rufus, of the sales manager from Salary in China. This afternoon, I'm going to give a brief introduction about our company first. Then we'll talk about the RFID tags in close. This introduction actually includes three major parts. The first part is about Salary. The second part is the Salary product. The third part is Salary soft power. Let's go to the next page. About Salary, we are a high-tech company in Shenzhen. We have three major products: the smart card, RFID label, and the card printers. We have RFID labels and also card printers like D2C card printer, retransfer card printer, portable card dispenser. From this page, you can see our headquarters, founded in 2002. We bought this land just to make a relocation last month. And in Dongguan, we make a smart card here. We bought land and build the factories ourselves. We have the R&D center. We made this in Taiwan. And in Zhongshan, we make a card printer in Zhongshan. We bought this factory, so we don't need to pay the rent. From this page, you can see our production capacity. For card, is about 50 million pieces each month. For RFID labels, it's about 10 million pieces each month. And card printer, 3,500 units each month. And the ribbons is 40,000 rolls each month. And this production capacity is the requirement from clients from different countries. From this page, we show you the Salary history. Like all great business start from a small company. We founded in 2002, and you can see the history. After years of development, we have one RFID and research center, and two production factories, and one headquarters. And in these 2 years, you can see we made the E300 card dispenser and the R-series retransfer card printer, R330, R660. From this page, we showed you some of the exhibitions around the world we attended over the past 10 years, like in France, Shenzhen, America, and also in Dubai, Nigeria, and France. This is just some of the exhibitions we attended. As for the more we will attend for you, I'll show you later. And also the certifications are very important. You can see a certificate we got in the past years, like CB, LVD, UKC, CEOs, and also the patent. The second part is Salary product. These are the first is smart card. We have been in this field for more than 20 years. Also the card printers under the brand of Salary. After labels, we also made a money project. We listed the most used application for RFID label. It can help your business in this. And I also have some samples. You can see this is used for RFID clothes. Like some kinds like use the RFID labels in clothes. They can make the asset management and track their goods. These two types are the mostly used in clothes. This is the soft IOTE label. This is a hand tag for clothes. And this one I have got is this. From this page, we show you the IOTE tags manufacturing equipment. It's a machine. You can see the procedure on whether and adhesive jetting, pre-bond and file bond, on whether with tester and marker through this machine. This page is the IOTE converting and the lamination line. The production capacity is 2 million a day. And all our IOTE tags are tested through this procedure. First is appearance inspection and reading encoding distance test. And finally is reading encoding function test. This product is a second part of this smart card. We list the most used applications. We have been in this field for more than 20 years. D2C card printer. This is one of the most used card printer in market. And S26, S28, S26, S25 are the most selling items in market. This is a dual-sided. S28 and S25 are single-sided. R330 and R660 are retransfer card printer. I can show you pictures. You can know the differences. From these pictures, you can see this is made by D2C card printer. This is printed by retransfer card printer. This one, you can see it has a white brim here. And this one, it doesn't have a white brim. It's edge to edge. As for the portable card dispenser, most clients, for example, if they live in a remote area and they want to print a card, but it's not convenient for them to go to a city or the print card center, so we made this card printer. It's an all-in-one machine. It includes a computer and a card printer. You just need to insert a card and print the card. The third part is theory soft power. We show you some successful projects in the past years. The first one is labor card in Thailand. We use S21 and make the card printer for them. It's the quantity about 70 pieces. ABC Bank of China in 2020. This is built in kiosk, this machine. This is our card printer. And this one is a Tanzania election card. You can see it here. This is for president election project, about 32 million cards. We also make a card for Foxconn. And Shanghai Jiao Tong University campus card. This page will show you the theory card printer current distribution. You can see in this page card US, Latin America, Russia, European countries, and also Philippines, Thailand, Indonesia, and New Zealand. This page will show you the strengths. First is R&D. We have a very strong team. We have more than 20 R&D engineers, very professional one. The production capacity, you can see it here. This to make sure we can make the fast delivery. And for the quality, it had a low repair rate. And for comprehensive flexibility, this is available to provide a one-stop solution for any project and a customized solution for original special demands. Market production policies to make sure our distributors their rights. After sales service, make faster response speed, extend the service hours. This page is serial vision. Vision is together or in the future. Okay, this is the end of the presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Ah, 好热。哎，
OK，
这个怎么这么关系？不用关。
这样子。
哦，这个是跟他讲。
So anyone is interesting about this presentation can take a comment in the chat. And now, 现在我介绍这个。
云里雾里。
Now our third speaker is Loretta Wu. Is the Civil Sales Director of the Shenzhen New Technology Company. We discuss about intending every object. Around applause. 后面。
看一下，这个地方 OK 吗？听得到我讲话吗 ？OK。Hi everyone, welcome. Buenas tardes y bienvenidos. I am Loretta. I'm with New from Shenzhen New Technology from Shenzhen, China. So our company mission will be interneting every object into the IoT world. We are an innovator and manufacturer in IoT devices. Wait. Okay. 好。这样 OK 吗 ？Okay. Yeah. So we're an innovator and manufacturer in IoT devices in Shenzhen, China. So we provide cutting-edge smart devices and solutions worldwide. With over 17 years of experience, our diverse range of products incorporates and advanced technologies like Bluetooth, low energy, AOA, which is angle of arrival, RTLS, RFID, GPS, LoRa, UWB, which is ultra wideband, and Wi-Fi and NB-IoT, LTM as well, 4G and 5G. So our company was founded in 2007 with over 17 years of experience. Later in the day, we were certified by Apple MFI, and then later Edison certified by Google as well. So in 2020, we have established another subsidiary in Hunan province, more inland of China. That's where I personally work at. But our factory and HQ is still in Shenzhen. So to 2022, we had a big. 这个为什么会跳? So 1 second. So 2022, we had a big mark and we were listed on Beijing Stock Exchange. So we have our own stock right now. For the past 2 years, we have won a lot of rewards. One of them is Red Dot winner for our B10 emergency button, and also winners for IoT Security Excellence Award and Smart City Product of the Year, etc. And for now, we'll keep developing and expanding more into LoRaWAN and into LTE. So our core business, mainly three things. One of them is ESL solutions, which will be electronic shelf labels. And we also have a team for connectivity modules like Bluetooth modules, LTE modules, or LoRaWAN modules, etc. What I want to focus on today will be the location-based hardware here. For location-based hardware, our product categories, first of all, of course, the location beacons. So you can put these beacons, the Bluetooth low energy based, you can put them on a wall, and then you can pair it with, use your phone as a gateway to scan the BOE location beacons, and then you have indoor navigation, and you can do indoor navigation tracking of the phone users as well. And next one is the personal tag. This is also BOE based. They're just in different shapes. So that one's like bigger to put on a wall, and these ones are smaller, where you can use it as a badge or you can wear it as a wristband. Also, asset tags for tracking assets. You can put them on the asset, and then you have the indoor location of your assets. Of course, also sensors. We have millimeter wave radar sensor, we have temperature humidity sensor, and we have water leak sensor, etc. for the environmental monitoring of the room. We're expanding more into LoRa, so we have a full LoRa line of LoRa sensors as well. So temperature, humidity, and we have LoRa badge, LoRa asset trackers with GPS, etc. So these all, the trackers and BOE one can work with BOE gateways, where you can scan and upload the BOE signals to your cloud or your server. And of course, we also have, if you want more accuracy, angle of arrival starter kit would be your choice. Each locator will have 12 antennas. We have 4 locators in this kit with 1 gateway, which allows you to achieve the sub-meter level accuracy for the indoor tracking. For the future product roadmap, apart from the BOE side, apart from BOE and LA, I've already introduced, we are expanding more into LoRa and LTE-M, and also ultra wideband for more accuracy, and also GNSS for outdoor tracking as well. So we're going into more about the use cases. Our products are widely applicable in different use cases. For example, like smart city and smart building, smart logistics, smart agriculture, and of course, another big thing about smart healthcare, which is very popular in Europe. For the challenges of the smart city, usually, for personal tracking, you can track people indoors, you can track people outdoors. Of course, the indoor-outdoor handovers can be a bit tricky sometimes. And of course, also multiple interference of the personal tracking. And then some challenges about energy and asset waste. So sometimes people cannot utilize the resources efficiently. And also some blind spots, lacking of real-time data and visualization, so the people don't know and can't react in time. So we are trying to solve that for the indoor-outdoor tracking. We developed a badge for with BOE for indoors, and then LTE plus GPS for outdoors. So you can track people both indoors and outdoors. This could be used in scenarios like resorts or hotels, where you need to ensure your employee safety for indoors and outdoors. And for some lone workers, outdoors as well. And of course, for some for asset tracking, you can put these on your valuable assets. These are tamper-proof. You can also put this on the asset, and you can see the indoor location of the asset, and you will know if someone tries to take it off. For energy consumption management, we developed a new energy consumption tag for electromagnetic wave sensor. You can put this on your devices, And then you'll know if this device is on the working mode or not. So you will know whether the device is not being turned off when it's supposed to save some energy. And then for public asset tracking, we have all kinds of asset tags in different shapes, big or small. Sometimes they can be with the button. If you need to repair the asset, then you can click the button, then you know where the asset is and whether this asset needs repairment. Of course, one of the main use case scenario in Europe will be the smart healthcare. For smart healthcare, we will have a lot of different kinds of wristband where you can wear it on your wrist, or you can wear it as a lanyard as well. So these ones are SOS buttons where you can press it once or press it twice. It means sometimes you need help, or however you define it. And then, of course, because this is also a BLE tag, so you can know the indoor location of this wristband. And then for temperature and humidity, indoor monitoring as well in the hospital, and also asset tag for any kind of valuable hospital assets, equipment. And we also offer a wide range of gateways like BLE plus Wi-Fi or BLE plus 4G to upload to your cloud in any way you like. So these are our manufacturing facilities. We already have two fully automated SMT lines. We have our factory with 6S management. We have over 10,000 square meter production area. Our daily output the full capacity could be about 100 mil. And then currently our employees, including the factory employees, around 350. Our R&D department is about 80 and more, so about a quarter of our full employees. So we really put a lot of effort into R&D. We put a lot of effort into R&D because we also do a lot of customizations. So if you'd like to put your ideas into real life, for customization, we do OEM, ODM, and end-to-end R&D and manufacturing from your concept. And then our engineers can help you design your concept into a design. And then prototyping, we can send you the prototypes for testing, and then we can do some adjustments according to how you like it. And then, of course, when you're happy with the prototype, we keep testing it and see if it broadcasts well, if it kind of perform very stably. And then later, when everything is all right, we confirm the prototyping and we confirm the testing results, and then we can move into production. Mass production, usually about 3 to 4 weeks or so. And then, of course, later we also have a QC team to do quality control before we ship out. So the entire process of this could be about 1 to 2 months from your idea to you put out the product on the market. So if you want one-stop services from your ideas to business outcome to the market, with lower R&D expenditure and faster time to market and higher quality guaranteed, welcome to contact us. So certification-wise, we have a full certification team to do all the certifications around the world. So for our standard products, we already have CE and FCC as default, of course, RoHS and WEEE as well. But if you need any local certifications like TELEC or IC, we have a certification department for that as well. We can provide such services with a charge. And of course, ESG is becoming more and more popular in the market because we all need it. So it's environmental and social and corporate governance. So we try to make our products more environmentally friendly. For example, we have launched more paper battery-based tags for one-time asset tracking use. So we're trying to be more sustainable and we're trying to carry our social duty and to increase more social value for the sustainability. Well, next, we do have a lot of partners around the world. Some of the partners we already listed on our official website, because these partners are mainly focused on software or platforms. For example, InSoft and Navigent, like for platforms, and also we have some in Europe as well. Our global partners, we have done a lot of projects with like Google or Cisco. We have cooperations altogether. For European markets, we have a partner in Spain in Europe. So Shop Promotion, they actually developed a full solution based on our hardware for LA kits. And so if you click into our official website, you can find this page and you can see Shop Promotion. They use LA kits to do like indoor tracking of the customers in the retail. And you can see where the customers went, where they stay the most, which shelves are more popular, which are not. And of course, we also do a lot of exhibitions like these around Europe and around US as well. So annually, we have about like 10 at least exhibitions around the world. Yeah, that'll be most of the presentation today. If you need any customization or if you need standard products, you can welcome to come by our booth. Our booth will be at the A42, right down this way. A42 booth. We'll have a lot of samples presenting at the moment. So let's create a sustainable and scalable IoT future together. Thank you very much. So thank you for your time and thank you for listening. If you're interested, welcome to scan our LinkedIn code for my new official LinkedIn. And also this is for my new official website with all our product information and descriptions. And my new store also has some of our product sample prices on it if you're interested. So thank you very much. Muchas gracias.
Thank you so much, Ms. Wu. The vision of through interconnecting the world is very interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. Following that, Roy Gao, the senior sales manager from the Yunfeng Battery Company, will present lithium innovate the application of permanent lithium battery in the IoT. Let's work out here.
“这个是那个直播烧麦哦，不就是套在身上吗？对对对，斜着吧，斜着。好，当天有。直播间在哪个上面？在 YouTube 上面。YouTube 然后它会有回放。对。喂，啊，这已经最长。哎。Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Roy Gao, and today I'm honored to represent Yunfeng Battery to present you our lithium innovation, the application of primary lithium battery in IoT industry. And first, I will make a brief introduction about our Yunfeng battery. For over 24 years, Yufeng have been dedicated to delivering cutting-edge power solutions for industries worldwide, and with over 2,000 global customers and more than 50 patents, and an annual output of 500 million pieces batteries every year, we are proud to be a trusted partner in the IoT revolution. Today, I will show you how our primary lithium battery are shaping the IoT revolution. Okay, now let's dive in. Before we explore IoT applications, let's clarify what makes our battery unique. As you can see, our battery, the primary lithium battery, consists of the manganese dioxide as the positive material and the lithium metal as the negative material, and electrolyte enabling the stable lithium ion flow in the circuit. The battery is 3-volt standard voltage, high energy density, and stability, enabling the, the IoT devices for years of maintenance-free operation. Okay, now that we understand the fundamentals, now let's explore how Yufeng translates this science into the real-world solutions. Now let's take a look at our core offering. This is Yufeng CR series bottom battery. Compact, lightweight, and perfect for wearables and sensors like Bluetooth beacons, smart home sensors, and asset monitoring tags. And this is Yufeng CP series pouch battery. The flexible design for customized shape and sizes, especially suitable for low temperature application. And we don't stop at standard models. Customization is our strength. Whether you need the battery with lead or the battery with pins or even the blister package, we could meet your requirements. And here are some application cases in the IoT industry. The first one is asset management, which is used in smart factory, warehousing, and logistics. And the second one is smart home sensors, such as the door and the window security sensors and indoor temperature and humidity sensors. And the third one is smart medical, CGM, continuous glucose monitoring. And last but not least, ESL, electronic shelf labels for the smart retailing. And this is our flagship use case. And later I will highlight our battery strengths in ESL application. In ESL industry, we are the leading battery supplier, and our Henley Max brand battery is the most widely used brand in ESL market. And we are the major battery supplier for the world top 5 ESL manufacturers and account for more than 50% of the global battery supply in the entire ESL market. Here are some strengths of our battery in ESL. The first one is power elevation, the high power. Traditional batteries are struggling with the ESL needs for the high pass current power consumption during data updating. In ESL, they can only release around 50% of the nominal capacity, and Yufeng broke the past working bottleneck, and we could release 80% of the bottleneck, 80% of the nominal capacity, which means we could last much longer than in ESL than traditional batteries. And the second one is longer storage life. After our simulation 10 years aging test, the capacity of the remaining capacity of Yufeng Henley Max is 95% versus 85% of the traditional batteries. And the third strength is wider temperature range. We have battery solutions fit for different ESL applications, from the normal temperature, refrigerated or frozen area. Commitment in R&D, and the product design to the in-process production and to the final customer quality assurance to ensure our battery reliability and customer service. To ensure product control, and we have to ensure scientific and standardized production control, and also ensure our automotive grade reliability products. As a responsible enterprise, we place great importance in social responsibility and green development. And we are currently in the process of obtaining the EcoVadis certification. Okay, now let's take a look at Yufeng's video for a closer look at the Yufeng battery. Okay, now if you have any questions, you could visit our website, henleymax.com, or reach out to us by email. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Ms. Gao. Advanced in the lithium technology are powering the next generation of the IoT device. Michael 现在是到 Michael 课。
哦。
来，我来。OK， 谢谢啊。
倒数第2位。
对。我问一下同事，让他们先放一下视频。是过来接吗？现在讲吗？最后一个吧。
好。
现在就开始吗？
对呀。
不是说4点吗？
没事，你来了就先看，你不看他还在等。
等5分钟，等一下，我先把朋友都请一下。
是多一点。还是你要做的听的话？不用听，那就讲题，我们这边就通过直播这个。
下一个是到我吗？
其实还有另外一个。
哦，那就让他先开始呗。
好，那我。
因为我邀请了客户，不知道他来不来。我邀请了几个人，他们说4点钟来，还有人订了闹钟。
OK。
大家。
今天来说，这个客户就是定时视频，我之前那个万全，在我前这个是万全的，充到电。Join WIA, where global resource meet local impact. So going to unlock IOT. 哟，来了。对，是万全。对。
哦，他是在我的前面。
对。
他说他是4点半。
啊？
他跟我说他是4点半。
不是。
所以他是3点半。
3点40，对。调一下，稍等。这样拿来讲了是吧？
这样挂起去看。
这样可以了。这样。 喂喂喂，啊。
So next we have the Michael Kerr, the sales engineer from the Shenzhen Wanch Intelligent Technology Company. Share the application for Wanch Intelligent RFID in technology industry fields.
Uh, Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's my honor to introduce Wanch Intelligent Company. This is Michael from Shenzhen Wanch, leader smart RFID hardware solution from Shenzhen, China. Okay, today I will introduce our company briefly. Wanch Intelligence was established in Shenzhen in 2006. It's a leader brand in the design, manufacture, industrial deep solution of smart perception wireless RFID products. We focus on research and innovation of industrial grade products for uh, RFID, industrial identification, and intelligent sensing technology. We are based in China and sell our products to more than 70 countries and regions around the world with excellent products, reliable performance, and attentive service. We have over 2,000 projects planned widely and in various industrial. Brand story about the Wanch. The inspiration for the design of Wanch logo text come from one means numbers. It's family and very absolutely. Chan means many, complete, or a perfect strategy. This is our development task from 2006 built. Uh, and the development about 90 years. Our company business advantages about how six branch office layout in Shenzhen, Suzhou, Wuhan, and Chengdu and Tianjin office, and also importantly in U.S. Office also. We have over 100 staff. About the sales team, about 20 people. R&D teams of about 25 people, and service support teams, and other workshop peoples, and three thousand customers, 10 million USD dollars total turnover 1 year. Wanch have 6 service systems, product R&D department, and sales service, technological service, and manufacturing, and solution, and application consultant. We have got qualification and patience about RFID products and SDK and API. Include CE and FCC certification also. We have cooperated many companies, brand partner like a BYD company and Fish Ships and DHL and Sony and Honda Vehicle and PM Bank, especially already asset management. This our each attend the fair show, include Shenzhen and Shanghai and Barcelona and already journalist. We also could manufacture integrated readers and desktop reader, already reader module and get a reader, forklift already reader and already smart cabinet also. Already our already products focus on business areas and application for the smarter industrial, energy, power, commercial retail, food traceability, bank and financing, asset management, government, army asset management, and warehouse logistics and transportation port, vehicle and visitor, education and medical, and livestock management. We can give some our products in project show display. This one is already truck tire tracking in Sony company. Already vehicle management. Already applied in the lithium battery and energy storage industry. Also already Western management in Europe is very popular. Already Euro electronic vehicle parking management. Already warehouse asset management. Also include already laundry management. Already library service machine. We could provide already hardware and API for you. The last one is already new stock management. These are all our already products cooperate companies in China and all abroad. Okay, thank you for your time. 就这样吧，好吧，就这样吧。
Thank you for your excellent. Thank you for your excellent
thank you.
presentation and the innovative products too.
这样子。
你来。OK。
会有人来
啊？
会有人来。
不是，我们只能说先做个记录，自己先那个，是吧？这个和稍微。
So we find the speaker is Ming Li Iris, is our overseas art director from Shenzhen Silicon Technology Company. She will share the IFID technology and the innovative products, introduction, and the typical case. So give our call.
这边点一下，就往下点一个。
So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I will make introduction about the Cilium Tech. So it includes 5 parts content: Cilium Tech overview, RFID technology introduction, UHF RFID applications overview, and typical case study. About Cilium Tech, we were established in 2005, and we have focused on UHF RFID industry. 下来一点. We have focused on UHF RFID industry for almost 20 years. Our headquarters is in Beijing, and we have R&D center and sales office in Shenzhen, another sales office in Shanghai. Cilium is a UHF RFID hardware solutions provider. Cilium has a long-term partnerships with lead radar IC companies. In global market, we cooperate with Impinj deeply to ensure cutting-edge technologies. After 20 years accumulation, we have a professional R&D team and multiple independent IPs. This is our test chamber and our facilities. Also, we have got a full series of certificates, include the ISO 9001 and other product certifications like FCC CE and other countries. Oh yeah, please, and other countries' certifications. We are trying to ensure a stable product quality and service. So our slogan is make RFID better, make RFID easier. So for Cilium team, our consistent mission is to promote the development of the IoT industry through innovative technologies and make RFID applications more efficient and intelligent. About UHF RFID technology, it includes low frequency, high frequency, and ultra high frequency. So for what we are doing is we focus on the UHF RFID, this frequency band all the time. In this comparison table, we can find some key features of UHF RFID. The first is the rating range. It can be 1 to 30 meters. Maximum can be 30 meters. It's a very long rating range. And it's high-speed data transmission, also with low tech cost. Another important point is for UHF RFID, it can identify hundreds of tags per second. This can greatly improve the working efficiency of data collection. So this is how RFID system works. It should have 3 necessary components: RFID reader, RFID antenna, and RFID tag. The energy emitted by the RFID reader is amplified by the antenna and sent to the tag to activate the tag information and get the tags ready. And the information will be sent back to the reader. This is the necessary components: radar, antenna, and tag for the UHF RFID system. About UHF RFID applications overview, we can say that in 2024, the global usage of UHF RFID tags was around 54 billion. And we believe this is just a very beginning. In the future, more items will be tagged and be collected. New relationships between things and people will be generated. And in some typical industry like the food and medical and retail, we can see a significant increase in near future. In European market, the DPP new policy, I think it will create a large opportunities to implement RFID technology. So from these specific application scenarios, we can see there are diverse RFID hardware demands. So through RFID technology, it can help enterprise to enhance data visibility and provide effective data support for enterprise to make decisions and for management. Cilium has developed almost 200 models to meet all these various application scenarios. Before we take a look of Cilium products, when we evaluate RFID reader or RFID modules, what form factors should we consider? First, from the physical parameter, we should consider which reader IC it uses, and how many antenna ports it has, and what dimension it is. From the performance part, we have to consider how long reading distance, how many tags can be read per second, and the maximum RF power can be 30 dBA or 33 dBA, and the power consumption, also the cost. and do test to realize the performance. In the healthcare industry, Celia provides turnkey solutions. We help customers to debug, program, and we advise them how to allocate the internal allocation of modules, position modules, and antennas. So after we successfully cooperate with one customer, and ultimately we cooperate with more than 20 customers. This is innovative product. This is a UHF RFID lab. It's used in an e-commerce warehouse center. The concept of design this product is hands-free reader. So when the workers in the warehouse hold something on hand, they can with this lab to break the tag automatically. No need to press any button. This can help the workers to realize seamlessly workflow. That's for today's presentation. If you have more information, questions, you can contact with us. Thank you.
Okay. So with that, today's seminar is finished, and a big thanks to all the exhibitors and the great presentations, and everyone joined to us, like all the audience and the online visitors, for the presentations materials or business inquiries. Contact with the sales representative for the different companies. Thank you.
Is it helpful for you? Oh, yeah.